Hello, and today, I'm at Bloxburg right now and stuff, and I just got home from work. Happy Halloween, everyone! And this is my rug, and let's go inside the house. I'm so hungry.
I don't know why.
I'm so hungry. What is that? What is that thing? Oh my gosh, it's so ugly. I'm speechless right now. I'm speechless because there's a ghost in the house. In order to escape my evil wrath is to get out of this house. What? But this is my house. Get out of here now. Or complete a mission from getting those motorcycles back from Max Motors. I can do that. Okay then. Okay. Then do it. Okay. Or else you'll end up like Mike. Okay. I can't believe he killed the Max Motors. He's so weird. Alright, let's go. Let's get out of here. What's going on? Okay, hopefully we'll make it to Motors in time before we end up dying. He said we have 2 hours. And 2 hours is not a lot of time, trust me. Once I had a 2-hour work hour and I got fired. Fun fact, I used to work at Style Salon. Alright then, let's go to Max Motors. Uh-oh, light pole. Believe me, I've bumped into a lot of them, and Max got me in huge trouble. I'm not even supposed to have this motorcycle, so don't blame me for getting worried. I can't even properly drive this thing yet, because since I crashed into a light place, like, I can't even properly use this thing. So yeah, try not to bump into that building right now. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna bump into it. What do I do next? What do I do? Stop the motorcycle. Go this way. What? I seriously need to learn how to control this thing. We're almost at Mike's Motors though. That's the bright side. And that ghost won't even bother us anymore. Okay, Mike's Motors. Here we come. We're gonna go get those stolen motorcycles back. We're gonna go ask the guy that works there, since Mike is dead, of course. I mean, he killed the owner of Mike's Motors. That's weird. This ghost is seriously super freaky. No. We need this motorcycle. It's important to us right now. This motorcycle is important, okay? This motorcycle is important. So we're just gonna, go. It's supposed to be over. Perfect. Now, go this way. Stop. Almost at Mike Motors. Just keep going. I can see it from here. If you can't see it, then let me know. Mike's Motors is this way. I'm pretty sure this is the right way. If not, then... Oh, this is the wrong way. This ghost is gonna be so mad at me if I don't get there in 2 hours. I have until 2 o'clock to get there. So I'm gonna have to go put. And time runs by fast here. Trust me. Living in Bloxburg is so hard. Time goes by really fast, and there's probably some scary secrets at this place that nobody knows about. Here's Mike's Motors. Let's turn around, park a motorcycle and stuff. Let's go. Okay. We're here to turn in the... Hello, how may I help you? I'm here to turn in the stolen motorcycles that were stolen a few hours ago. They're stolen by this random ghost. Okay then, thank you for your help. I put them over here. I'm pretty sure you sent them here, right? You sent them here earlier. Thank you for that. Wait then, if I already did this, then why am I here? I'm getting out of here. Oh, thank goodness, nobody stole my motorcycle. Okay, let's go. Let's go on this motorcycle. Supposed to be going on a motorcycle. Use it. Let's go now. Okay then. Um, let's go. Let's go home, people. Let's go home. Let's go home. Let's go home. It's gonna be home. It's pretty early. That was actually really quick. I'm not even supposed to be here anymore. So yeah. What happened? Why can I move? Oh, the ghost froze me. I know. I can tell when he's doing witchcraft on me. Okay, let's go. So now we're gonna go now. Uh oh, careful! Last time my motorcycle fell into the water, I couldn't get it out till like a lot later. I had to buy a new one at Mike Fuller's. Okay, no more story time. Let's go home now. I'm starving. Maybe I should have stopped at the grocery store. Here. Okay, now let's go back. Let's go back home now. You have no idea what that ghost could be doing inside my house. You know what? I'll just walk there. I'm not a very fast person, but I'm gonna have to go anyway. Oh, I'm so slow. So slow. Hey, can you give me a ride? Never mind. Let's just go walk off in sadness and stuff. I should have. Okay. I shouldn't have listened to that ghost. I will wait to go home.